going on, family? We're out here again walking around, and we're coming up on the community called La Perla. La Perla, man. We're gonna go down and check out what's going on. We're gonna be real cool because we heard that there was somebody with a camera down here and they were asked not to film, and then they got hurt. All right.
The story goes that there were 3 tourists that were stabbed after someone told them to stop filming in this seaside community known as La Perla. The attacks happened nearly 2 years after a tourist from Delaware was killed and set on fire after police said he was warned not to take pictures.
All right, I'm about to go down here to the hood. Hola. You gotta think, right? This is still the fort here too. See the fort? On that side right there. They got this little scaffolding, man, that you go down. 3,600 pounds, I should be good. Ooh, 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 ooh. How you doing?
Good, good.
Can I get some food down here?
Food? Yeah.
Yeah, plenty? This way or that way?
That way,
Okay.
way, yeah.
Gracias.
Then, are you serious?
All right, y'all, we going down. All the way back, gracias. All right, we're going to get some food, man. We're going to get some food. How you doing? Where's the food? 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 This way?
Yeah,
Gracias. Carlita. Yo, we back here at the cut, y'all. Look at the cat. Chickens. So we're gonna like behind the houses now. But we're gonna go down to the main road, y'all. Oh, look at this fire hydrant. All right, I hear some music, y'all. I hear the music. It don't look like nothing's happening down this way, but La Fiesta. I'm gonna go down by the water. Look at the chicken running. I'm not chasing you, chicken. All right, y'all. We about to hit the music area and see what's up, man. I'm gonna see if I can get some snacks. Check it out. The other night, right, I heard a lot of music coming from down here. That's where the music was coming from, right there. Right there. All right, y'all, we don't mind walking through the hood, right? But one thing we always try to do is show people respect, right? It's obvious. Sometimes you walk up on somebody, it's obvious. They have a look on their face like, do not put me on that camera. So we just have mad respect for that. And we don't do that, man. I'm still looking for something to eat. Maybe I'm around here a little earlier, but I want some frituras. Frituras? Am I saying that right to my Spanish speaking friends? Frituras? Let's look and see. All right, y'all, we're going deep down in the hood now. I was just trying to figure out which way would I get out of here. Oh, we back down here. I feel like I'm in Brazil somewhere. I want some type of fried snack. What do you say? Maybe some empanadas, man. But I know this Mexican spot that I saw earlier. I'm definitely going back there. Yo, that look like a peacock. That's a turkey, man. See that turkey? Yo, I'm way down here, man. A lot of construction going on. What's up, fam? It is about 4:30 in the afternoon, and I am very hungry. I'm about to go right around the corner to a spot. I know I'm in Puerto Rico. Oh, he's ringing the bells. I know I'm in Puerto Rico, man, but it's a Mexican spot. I walked by it earlier. It smelled like garlic, butter, delicious spices in the air. I'm going to check it out. I don't care what y'all say. Yo, he went all the way to Puerto Rico to get some Mexican food. I don't care what y'all talking about. I'm about to go get it. I'm coming from that way. Yo, I didn't know this spot was back here, man. It's like back here in the cut. It's like I walk down here, man. I would call them projects. I don't know if they're projects or not. If it was in Newark, they'd be projects. You know? Dude, it looked like it used to be like a pizza spot over here, man. That's the spot right there in that blue building. I'm gonna give y'all the name of it, right? It's called El Chado. Right there. El Chado, the Mexican spot. Let's go check out El Chado. I am really hungry too, y'all. Oh, it was crowded earlier. It's not. This is the front door walking in the joint. They got a little music. We're gonna figure it out though. I told you I was coming back. Hello, hello.
You went to the San Juan?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah. I lost some weight too. Yes.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
What did you eat?
Nothing. I didn't eat nothing. No. Nothing. No. I smoked a cigar, but I didn't eat nothing. I'm gonna eat here.
Yes, we were ready.
Yep. All right. So anywhere is good. Okay. Okay. I just ordered the queso, fundido, and chorizo. It's ready already, y'all. This is it. Chorizo, fundido. Right? Is that how you pronounce it? Fundido?
Queso fundido.
Queso fundido. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
YouTube life. Okay, family, as y'all can see, the food came out, man. Now it's time to get busy, man. I got my corn tortillas here. Yes, the chorizo sausage is on top there. That is a lot of cheese, man. Look at that, man. And I know, see how it's got that orange in there? I know that's coming from that chorizo sausage and that cheese, man. Look at that. Look at that right there. That's that pure healthiness right there. Ooh, look at that, man. Nice and gooey, cheesy. Let's go for it. It looks delicious. Delicious. That's very cheesy, man. It has that oily chorizo on top. I'm gonna just put some more of that oil on there like that. I want to taste it without the tortilla. That's freaking delicious, y'all. Next, I'm gonna try to dip some of these tortillas, these nachos, into this hot sauce. She said it's really spicy. Let's see. Yep. Oh wow, that's spicy. I got the hot salsa on there. I got that chorizo, and I have that fundido. That fondue, is that the same as fondue? Fundido? Love you, cats. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yes, please.
This next short clip is from our last episode. Check it out. I just want to thank Brooklyn Born 718 for the $10 towards my
This is
frituras.
piñones. ¿Dónde está Luisa?
Luisa,
It's straight ahead? How many? Oh, yeah?
más.
Oh, wow. ¿Cuánto? Like, in miles?
Con ubicación.
See, we're here.
Okay,
Hold
aquí.
up, let me turn. I'm getting directions, y'all. Y'all hold that for a minute, all right?
After a full day of adventure, I was almost tricked by the glitter of Puerto Rican KFC. Then I went back to San Juan just to walk around. Enjoy the clips. Love you, cats. See you at the next one.